estudyante.
Muna na mag-connect ka.
Hello, Pat. How are you? Please turn on your video. All right, there you go. Oh, I can only see your forehead. Move backward. All right, there you go. I can see now clearly your face. So, are you ready for our class tonight? Yes. So, before we will start with our lesson, let's do a review. Okay, let's review your class last Monday. So, what was our lesson last Monday? It is about, you still remember the lesson last Monday? It is about birthday. Okay, you still remember the birthday?
Yes.
Alright, so we talked about last Monday the things you will do or you can do on a birthday party. Okay, during birthday party, what are the things you can do? Teacher will say, I can dance. What else? I can. Again. Louder. I can. I can't hear you. I can. Play game. Third. I can. Talk. Yes. And then fourth one. I can. It starts with letter S. I can. Can you move backward? I can see your face. I can. Sing. Again. I can sing. Okay. And then I can eat. I can eat. Yeah. Okay. Now, can you move backward? Because teacher can't see your face. Backward a little, only you're here. Oh, there you go. Okay. So, what are the things you will do on a birthday party again? Give me. I can sing. Next. I can. Again. Louder, louder. I can. Eat. What else? I can. Again. Hello. Can you please louder your voice? Louder. Loud. Okay. I can. Play game. What else? I can. What is it, Pat? How about this one? Talk. Yes. And I can drink. Yes. Drink juice and everything. All right. So those are the things that we talked about last Monday. So for tonight, we are going to have a new lesson. Okay, new lesson for tonight. Okay, let me share screen first before we start our lesson. Oh, please make your voice louder so the teacher can hear you. Okay, so if you are ready, eyes on me and listen to me. Okay, listen. Now, what lesson are we now? Lesson What lesson?
Lesson 34.1.
All right, very good. Lesson 34.1. Okay, what is lesson 34.1? It's about, what's this? Christmas. All right, do you like Christmas? Yes, me too. I like Christmas. So before we start our lesson, let's try to do vocabulary words. So here I have three things. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, first one. What is this?
Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas. Okay. The second one, what is this? Oh, this one. This one is Santa Claus or Santa Claus. And the third one is, what's the third one?
Sleep.
Sleigh. Again, what is the first word? This is Christmas. Second, Santa Claus. And the third one is sleigh. All right. So here, 1, 2, 3. What do you like the most, Pat? Do you like Christmas, Santa Claus, or sleigh? What do you like? I like. What do you like? What do you like, man? Christmas, Santa Claus, or sleigh? You're still thinking? Okay, you're still thinking. All right. Okay, I will ask you later, okay? Later. Now here, I have here another 3 things, or this one that you can see on Christmas. Okay, the first one is, oh, what's that? Reindeer. Next. Oh, what's the second one? Again? Christmas tree. Oh, make your voice louder. The third one is, what's the third one? Again? Fireplace. Again? All right, fireplace. So we have here reindeer, Christmas tree, and fireplace. Right. Next. Here, structure. Who is this? You will say, again?
Claus. Is Santa Claus.
Okay, this is Santa Claus. All right. Next, how many reindeers are there? Louder, Pat. I can't hear you. There are... Pat? What happened, man? I can't hear you. Wait. There are 3 reindeers. Again? Okay. Pat, can you hear me? Yes or no? Can you hear, teacher? Oh, let me make it louder. Louder your voice. Oh, like that. I like it. Yes. Now, how many reindeers are there? There are, go. Say it. All right. There are 3 reindeers. Okay, let's count the 3 reindeers. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many feet does a reindeer have? Look at the feet of the reindeer. How many feet do they have, Pat? 1, 2, 3, or 4? lottery? This one, oh, 1, 2, and this one is here at the behind, and then 4. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many feet do they have, Pat? They have how many?
3 flowers.
Okay, 4 feet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Now here, let's going to read and check. Okay, read and check. Now, number 1. What is number 1? Please read number 1. This one, read. Sleigh. Again. Okay, louder your voice. I can't hear you. Sleigh. Again. Loud. What's number 1? Sleigh. Again.
Sleigh.
All right. Oh, that one. Very good. Your voice is now louder. Okay. Just go near to your computer. Now, where is sleigh? Okay, I'll put check. Okay. Where is sleigh? In number 1, 2, or 3? 2. All right. I will check 2. Now, how about number 2? How to read number 2? Reindeer. Again?
Reindeer.
Okay, there's no reindeer here. Oh, so this must be wrong. There's no reindeer here. Now, sorry for that. Next, how about number 3? What is number 3?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Where is Santa Claus? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. I will check 1. How about number 4? What is number 4? Christmas tree. What number? 1, 2, or 3? 3. Okay. Now, let's try to check if your answers are correct. Now, number 1 is sleigh. All right. Where is sleigh? Let's try to check if your answer is sleigh. Are you correct?
Yes.
Yes, you are correct. Now, number 2, it says here reindeer. Have you seen a reindeer here in number 2? No reindeer. All right. Maybe this one is not reindeer. Maybe it's called as fireplace. Okay. People, listen, houses who in America or any parts of the world that experience snow have fireplace. You know what's the use of fireplace? You know the use of fireplace, Pat? Listen, fireplace is to make their house feel warm. Okay, so that if you are inside the house, you will feel warm because in other country, in some countries there in America or in the South Pole or in the North Pole, they experience snow and it's so cold there because their surroundings are freezing. That's why their house needs to have a fireplace, okay? To keep their body warm. Understand? All right. Now, how about sleigh? What is the use of sleigh? Huh? It is where Santa Claus sit and ride on a, what's this?
Reindeer.
Oh, yes. There will be a lot of reindeers that will pull the sleigh where Santa Claus it, and he will also put his gifts inside the sleigh because Santa Claus will give gifts to good children. Okay? Good children are given gifts by Santa Claus. Okay? All right. Now, number 3. We are looking for Santa Claus. So, Santa Claus is, let's try to check your answer. There you go. Are you correct, Pat? Yes, very good. Now, how about Christmas tree? Okay, let's try to check your Christmas tree. Wow, are you correct? Yes, and because of that, teacher will give stars. 5 stars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars again here. 5 stars here. So you got 15 stars for this activity. Okay? All right. Now let's try to go to the next slide. Group and say. All right. You group and say. Wait. Group and say. Now, tell me if this thing is in Christmas or birthday. Okay? Tell me where can we find these things? In Christmas or in birthday? Understand, Pat? Okay. Now, how about reindeer? Where will we put reindeer? In Christmas or in birthday?
Christmas.
Christmas. Good. How about this birthday cake? Where will we put the birthday cake? In the Christmas or in the birthday?
Birthday.
Birthday. Okay. How about Santa Claus? Where will we put Santa Claus?
Wow.
In the Christmas. Wow. How about this invitation? Where will we put the invitation? Christmas or birthday? Again?
Birthday.
Birthday. Wow, you still remember the invitation. Now, how about these beautiful balloons? Where will we put the balloons, Pat?
Day.
Birthday. And this Christmas tree?
Christmas.
In the Christmas. So now, can you tell me the things that we can see on Christmas? We have, what's this?
Reindeer.
Reindeer. This one.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. And this one.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. So we only have 3 things here that we put on Christmas. Now, birthday. What are the things we can see on the birthday? What's this? Cake. This one. Invitation and balloon. All right. So we have their cake, invitation, and balloon for the birthday. And we also have reindeer, Santa Claus, and Christmas tree on Christmas. Very good, Pat. Great job. Very good. Next. Okay. Who is this? Who is this?
It's Christmas.
This one is
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Now, can you tell me the spelling of the word Santa Claus? Letter
It's
S. Next.
A-N.
A-N.
D-A.
T-A. And C-L. A, U, and very good. Very good. You got the correct spelling of the word Santa Claus. So this is Santa Claus. And how about this one? This is, what is this? What's the name first? What's the name of this first? This reindeer. Okay, spell the word reindeer. Letter R. Next. E. Next. I. Next.
N.
And very good. Next.
D.
D. Next.
O.
Again. Letter
P.
E.
E.
E. And last letter
R.
R. Wow, you're so good in spelling. Very good. Now, let's try to check if your answers are correct. You say this is Santa Claus. Again, let's check. Wow, SANTACLAUS. Great job. Because of that, teacher will give 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, here you say this is a reindeer. Now, let's try to check if this is a reindeer. Christmas reindeer. REINDER. Very good. Now, I will give you 10 stars again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 20 stars for this activity. Very good. You keep on doing your best, Pat. Very good. Great job. Now here, next. Okay. Now, I will ask you something and you are going to count. Give me the numbers of the things that I will say. I will ask you, okay? Now, Pat, how many Santa Claus are there? Look at on the screen. Wait, Zach. Wait. Okay, here. How there are. Okay, there. Now, teacher's question is, how many Santa Claus are there? Now, can you please count how many Santa Claus are there on the picture? How many Santa Claus? Count.
5, 6.
6. Let's try to. What's your answer? 6 or 7?
6.
6. Okay, let's try to count. 1. Wait. I will. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So, I will give you 6 stars also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, very good. Now, how about how many reindeer is there on the picture? How many reindeer are there? Count. How many reindeer are there on the screen? 4. Okay, Pat says there are 4 reindeer. Again, there are, go. Say it, there are Follow teacher. There are 4 reindeers.
Yes.
All right. Now, let's try to check if there are 4 reindeers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So because of that, I will give you 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Next. How about how many sleigh are there? Okay, sleigh. Now, count how many sleigh are there. 4. Say, there are, again, there are 4 sleigh. Again,
Oh.
okay, okay, very good. There are 4 sleigh. Now, let's try to check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Very good. So I'll give you 2, 3, 4. So it will be full of stars now. All right. Now, how about fireplace? How many fireplace can you see? How many fireplace? There are fireplace. This one, fireplace. How many? Fireplace. Can you see the fireplace like this? Now count how many fireplace are there on the screen.
4.
4. Yes. So there are 4 fireplace. Again.
4.
All right. So there are 4 fireplace. Fireplace. So let's try to check. Let's count. Wait. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So I'll give you 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so many stars already. Now, how about Christmas tree? How many Christmas trees do you see? 3. So there are 3 Christmas trees. All right. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And because you answered everything, teacher will give you 15 stars. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 stars. Oh, look at that. The screen is already full of stars because you answered it correctly. Very good, Pat. Great job. Next. All right. Very good. Keep up the good work. Oh. Okay. So that's the end of our class, but it's still early. I am deciding to give you 2 lessons for this night. All right, for a while. Okay. Because since Christmas is so easy for you, let's do lesson 34.2. Yes. Okay. Why is it that sometimes I can't hear your voice? You're far from the computer? You're far? Oh, make sure that you are near already in the computer so the teacher can hear you. Next. Okay, okay. Now here, let's do vocabulary words. Oh, I have here 1, 2, 3. I have there 3 things. So the first one, listen, listen. Okay, first one. Oh, what is that?
Christmas carol.
Oh, Christmas carol. Very good. Christmas carol is when people are singing in front of the house. They will sing Christmas songs. Okay? Christmas songs. They will do Christmas carol. They will sing to their neighbor's house. Okay, next. This one. Let's try to check what is this. This is a what is that?
Bell.
Yes, it's a bell. All right. Have you seen a bell? You've seen already this one? You see already? Yes. Okay. Next, the third one. What is this? Oh, wreath. Again? Ah, very good. Wreath. Okay. Christmas wreath is a decoration during Christmas season. They will put this on their door or at the wall. Okay? Wreath. It is a symbol of Christmas. So if you see wreath, then meaning it is Christmas. All right. Next. I have here another 3, 1, 2, and 3. So the first one is what we called as chimney. This one is a chimney. It is where the smoke of the fireplace goes out. Okay? It is where the smoke of the fireplace goes out. And they said that Santa Claus will get inside the house through the chimney. Look at this one. This is Santa Claus trying to get inside the house. Next, how about the second picture? Look at the second picture. Listen, this one is a
Snowman.
snowman. Okay, this one is made up of snow. They put twigs of the tree, carrot, and put scarf and hat. Okay, to make it looks like a man. Now, how about the third word? We have here is, what is this? What's this? Candy cane. Again?
Candy cane.
Oh, this one is a Christmas candy. Okay. Have you tried to eat this? A candy cane? You tried to, you tried to eat this already? You ate this already? Yes or no? Huh? Yes or no? Yes. So candies are sweet. Okay. Again, this is chimney. This is snowman. And this is? Okay, it's candy cane. Now next. Oh, who can you see on Christmas? Who can you see on Christmas? I can see Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Oh, I can see Christmas tree. Again?
Christmas tree.
Oh, I can see snowman. Say it. I can see snowman. I can see chimney. Ah, I can see candy cane. Say it.
Candy cane.
All right. So those are the things that are famous during Christmas time. There's a lot of things that we put as our decoration during Christmas. All right, next. Dear one, what can you see on the Christmas? Okay, I can see, what's this?
I can see
Wreath. What's this?
pig.
Yes, wreath. How about I can see this one?
Slime.
Sleigh. I can, again?
Wait,
All right. I can see sleigh. This one, I can see,
wait.
what's this? I can see this one.
Santa Claus.
Oh, yes, Santa Claus. This one, I can see
I can see reindeer.
reindeer. This one, I can see,
I see candy cane.
very good. This one, I can see,
I can see bell.
bells. Very good. This one, I can see, look at here, Pat. Okay, I can see, what's this?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. This one, I can see,
I can see
what's this?
fire.
Fire.
Fireplace.
Very good. Fireplace. So during Christmas time, you can see wreath. Okay, follow me. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, I can see wreath. What's this again? Sleigh.
Play.
Fireplace.
Fireplace.
Christmas tree. Santa Claus. Bells. Reindeer.
Candy cane.
Candy cane. Very good, Pat. Very good. Now here, where is the first one? What is this? What's this?
Bell.
Bell. Now where is bell? 1, 2, or 3?
One.
1. 2. What is this? How to read this? Wreath. Okay, where is wreath? 1, 2, or 3?
One.
1. Next, what is number 3?
Three.
Snowman. Where is snowman? 1, 2, or 3? Huh. Snowman. 1. 2. Okay, it's 2. Next, where
Three.
chimney? Where's chimney? 1, 2, or 3?
Three.
Chimney? 1, 2, or 3?
One.
1. All right, 1. Very good. Now let's try to check if your answers are correct. All right. So number 1, bell. Where is the bell? Okay, very good. That is a bell. Number 2, wreath. Your answer is number 1. Let's try to check your wreath. Okay, great job. Number 3, snowman. So your answer is number 2. Okay, snowman. Great job, Pat. Next, number 4, chimney. Your answer is number 1. Let's try to check. Okay, you got a correct answer. So teacher will give 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Great job. You got 10 stars because of your correct answers. Now let's try here. Okay. we order the letters to make the word. So you have here a lot of letters, and you're going to tell me, you're going to arrange the letters to form a correct word. Okay, now this one, what word is this?
C,
C, H, letter I,
M,
and
N, I,
letter E. Next, last word, last letter. Letter
Y.
Y. Eh, look at that. It's chimney. Next, how about this word here? It's so easy. Letter B. Letter E. L. Very good. So it formed bell. Next, how about this third one? What is this? Letter S. Next. Letter and come on, near to the computer so that I can hear you. O. W. M. A. And very good, snowman. Now, how about the fourth word? What is this? What letter? W. R. E. A. C. And H. Very good. Wreath. Great job. Now let's try to check your work. All right. The first one is chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. Very good. Next, number 2. Bell. B-E-L-L. Very good. Next. Snowman, S-N-O-W-M-A-N, and the last word is wreath, W-R-E-A-T-H. Very good. Okay, very good. Next. Wait. I'll erase my word. Okay, here. Circle, look and circle. So what is this? What is this? Snowman or Santa Claus?
Snowman.
What's this?
Snowman.
Snowman. All right. Number 2. What is this? Shirt or candy cane? Candy cane. This one.
Arrow.
Carol. And the last word, this is a wreath. All right. So, what is this again? Please read. Please read this one. What is this? Read this part. What is this? Pat. Okay, this one. What is this? Read. Snowman. Again. What is this?
Snowman.
All right. How about this one? What is this? This one is a candy cane. Very good. And this one is, look at here. Pat, look at here. What is this? Look at your answer. carol, and the last word we have is the, what's this? Wreath. Very good. Now let's try to check your work. Okay, so you said number 1 is a snowman. Oh, correct. Number 2, you said number 2 is a candy cane. Let's try. Wow. Number 3, you said it's Carol. Oh, wow, look at that. Very good. And number 4, you said it's a wreath. Now let's try to check. La 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 la. Look at your answer. Look at your answer. It is correct. Very good. You're so good. All right. Okay. I'm so happy. You're so good. All right. Next. Oh, write the answer. Okay. Write again. Okay. Here. What letter? Letter B. Next. E.
L.
L. How about this one? R.
No R.
Oh, letter
R.
R. Next. Letter E. Next. A. Next.
C.
T and
H.
H. Very good. It's a wreath. How about this one? Okay, snow. What's next to snow?
A.
M.
A.
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 A. Next to A.
N.
And snowman. How about this last one? Okay, we are here at the last one. Letter C. Next. A. Next. And letter E. Very good. Now it's time for us to check your work. Oh, bells. Very good. How about this one? Let's try to check. Wreath. Good. This one? Snowman. And cane. Very good. Okay, next. Oh, what do people receive on Christmas Day? What do they receive? All right. Wait for a while. Practice. What do people do on Christmas Day? First, give or receive gifts. Okay? Give
Give.
or receive gifts. Very good. Wait, I will erase my writings.
Carols.
Okay, sing carols. Next. Build.
Snowman.
Build snowman and this one. Go to church. Okay. So again, what are the 4 things that people do? First is give or, come on, say it. Receive gifts. This one.
Sing carols.
In carols. This one. Build.
Build snowman.
And the last one is this one.
Church.
Go to church. Great. Very good. Wow, Pat is so good. All right. Now let's talk. Now, what can you see on Christmas Day? What can you see on a Christmas Day? Pat? Wait. What can you see on a Christmas day? You can see Christmas tree. Next, what do you... Oh, candy cane. Right. Next, what do your family do on Christmas? Give or receive what? Gifts. Very good. Give or receive gifts. Next, what do you often receive gifts on Christmas? What gifts do you receive? What kind of gift do you receive during Christmas? What gift? You receive toys. Do you have toys during Christmas? Yes. All right. Next. What do you want to receive this year? So, if your dad, listen, if your mom and dad will give you gift, what do you want? What do you want? What gift do you want? If your mom will give you, if your mom will give you gift, what do you want? You want? No, don't know yet. Don't know yet?
No.
Okay, still thinking. Now here, do you want to meet Santa Claus? You want to see Santa Claus? Huh? Oh, you will say, yes, I want. What will you say? Pat, what will you say? Do you want to meet Santa Claus? You will say, yes, I want. Again? Hello? Okay.
Yes.
I want. Again?
I would.
Oh, very good. So, for your gift, you are still thinking and you want to meet Santa Claus. Okay, very good. So, I think that would be all for tonight. And I will say goodbye, Pat. Bye-bye. Okay, good night. See you on Friday. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.